Hi, this is David from Smartworld. We're in a Hyundai Kona, a new model just released 2 months ago, and this is the new interface. And this car still comes with wired CarPlay, wired Android Auto. And the funny thing is, it comes with a wireless charger, but you cannot use both at the same time. So we're going to show you the CPAA video adapter. It's a 4-in-1 adapter. Will give you wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Netflix, YouTube, videos through USB, mirroring, a lot of things, and we're just gonna install it. So it's very easy to use. Just plug and play in the USB port of your car on the left side. That is for CarPlay, and make sure that this is in this area, so it's gonna connect with CarPlay, because if it's connected here, it's gonna be on battery. So that I discovered just that, and I'm just gonna leave the device there hidden in the back, so you have full space there to put your charging device to charge. And here we go. The device is coming up in seconds, and it's gonna start up the settings of the system, and it's gonna connect to your phone wirelessly. Right now I am filming with my iPhone, so it's not connected at all. So it's just gonna connect through in seconds. As you can see, it's linked already. So and it's connecting through wireless CarPlay. There we go. I haven't had to do anything, just wait seconds for the device to connect, and it's now connected through, and with all the functionality that you may need for wireless CarPlay. No more connections, no more cables hanging around. You can use the wireless charger anytime. I tested with my iPhone. I put it in here and it was charging, so I connect wireless and charging, wireless CarPlay, wireless charging, everything, plus Netflix, YouTube, and that I'm gonna show you later. I'm gonna show you right now how to exit from this screen. So let's say you wanna watch some Netflix, some YouTube, so you just exit to here, and then you go into the main menu. The main menu is here, so you can watch Netflix and YouTube. But first of all, and if you wanna go back, just click on CarPlay. And if you want to go even back to your car radio, you just press here. So everything is here, automated, easy, just pressing buttons. So I'm going to show you wireless Android Auto and then the Netflix and YouTube. Now for Android Auto, very simple. You just pair your device via Bluetooth one time, and then just go into wireless Android Auto, and it's here. So, and the beauty of it is that I have my Android phone charging. So it's wirelessly charging and it's wirelessly connected. As you can see, the battery is charging there. So it's just great. I will show you. Now it's not charging, and now suddenly it's charging. There we go. Oops, sorry. There we go. And it's charging the battery. So and also exit from here. So you have wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Now we're gonna show you the Netflix and YouTube features. Now for Netflix and YouTube, very simple. You turn on the hotspot on your mobile phone, and you just go into settings and just go into network and internet and connect with your phone. Right now it's connected with my iPhone, but you can connect with any phone with hotspot, and then you just simply go into Netflix. Once connected to Netflix, you can start watching your favorite video in seconds, as you can see now. Watch this one, and the quality is just amazing, and the volume is going to be coming through the speakers, of course. There we go. We're just going to make it forward a little bit so you can see a little bit of the movie.
Please forgive the intrusion. My name is...
There we go. Just a little bit. We're not gonna watch the whole movie, but we're gonna watch a little bit of YouTube now. With YouTube, it's exactly the same. You just select what you want to watch and start watching.
All things money with Revolut.
Just gonna put the volume down a little bit. And of course, you need to skip ads when needed. And yeah, this is how it works. Very simple. You want to make it bigger, Of course, you cannot get rid of the sponsors and all that. People will probably have to pay for a YouTube Premium version, but you have YouTube now working. So apart from wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Netflix, YouTube, we also have mirroring. So you can mirror your mobile phone screen from iPhone and Android, and you just select which phone you have, and it's going to give you instructions what to do. And of course, as I mentioned before, I thought it's hidden here in this nice space. You have a USB port here. So if you put that USB port, USB stick with videos and movie, you can play them using this file browser. Very easy. So all those options available for you on your new Hyundai Kona 2023. So a great solution, great product. Love this car. It's amazing with a nice screen. So the new Hyundai Kona now available, and now we have tested the CPA video adapter for all functionalities. And if you want to find more solutions for your Hyundai, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.